Hey everyone, welcome to BuySmart HQ, where we bring the latest and greatest in home entertainment tech. Today, we're diving into the world of projectors with the GooDee YG600, a device that promises to transform your home viewing experience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The GooDee YG600 isn't just any projector, it's a 4K powerhouse with 600 ANSI lumens. What does this mean for you? It means crystal clear images, vibrant colors, and no more blurry edges, thanks to its 6 layers of high refractive glass lens. Whether you're watching indoors or outdoors, this projector brings cinema-quality visuals right to your living room. In today's connected world, the GooDee YG600 shines with exceptional connectivity options. Whether you're using iOS, Android, or any other operating system, this projector seamlessly integrates with your devices. It offers both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi capabilities for a stable and fast connection, making streaming from any platform a breeze. Plus, with the latest Bluetooth 5.2, you can easily pair it with your favorite Bluetooth speakers for an even more immersive audio experience. The YG600 ensures that no matter your device, you're always connected and ready to enjoy your content. Imagine having a 300-inch screen in your home. The YG600 makes this a reality, with a zoom function allowing you to adjust screen size from 50% to 100% without moving the projector. This flexibility means you can set it up just once and enjoy different screen sizes as per your needs. But what about sound? GooDee doesn't disappoint. The YG600 features a Dolby Audio certified hi-fi stereo speaker system, delivering powerful, crystal-clear sound. It's like having a high-end sound system integrated into your projector, a true cinematic experience. No one likes dealing with dust and maintenance woes. GooDee addresses this with high-tech materials that block dust and extend the projector's life. And if you do encounter any issues, they've got you covered with a lifetime warranty and 24/7 customer support. Installation can be a pain, but not with the YG600. Its 4P/4D Keystone correction allows you to adjust each corner of the image separately, making setup a breeze. And whether you want it on a table or ceiling mounted, this projector adapts to your space effortlessly. The YG600 isn't just for movies and games. With its built-in office suite and 360 degrees flip capability, it's perfect for presentations and professional use. Whether it's PowerPoint, Excel, or Word, this projector has got your back. In conclusion, the GooDee YG600 is more than just a projector. It's a versatile, powerful home theater system that brings quality, connectivity, and convenience together. Whether for movies, games, or professional presentations, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their viewing experience. That's our take on the GooDee YG600 1080p LCD home theater projector. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. This is BuySmart HQ. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.